Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in an Audi A5. Begin by turning on Bluetooth on your phone and the car ignition, then go to MMI telephone Bluetooth pairing. Select your phone from the list and accept any permission prompts. Verify the numeric PIN shown on the MMI and your phone, then confirm on both devices. Finish by setting your phone as primary if desired and testing a call or audio stream for confirmation. If pairing fails, try a simple restart of both your phone and the car to clear temporary glitches. Delete older paired devices from the MMI list to avoid conflicts, then rescan for Bluetooth devices. Turn off airplane mode and ensure location services are enabled if your phone requires it. If audio works but calls do not, check phone permissions and the MMI call settings, then retry pairing for a fresh connection. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful car videos. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is a small, effective air freshener that brightens any ride and pairs nicely with keeping your cabin tidy during phone calls. I clip one near the vent for a steady scent without getting in the way. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust the MMI connection settings to allow phonebook and media access so contacts and music appear correctly. Select the preferred audio profile for either music streaming or hands-free calling, depending on how you use Bluetooth most. Set your phone as the priority device if you want it to auto-connect every time. Learn the steering wheel controls or voice commands to answer calls safely without taking your eyes off the road while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.